Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa and today I have another what I eat in a day gluten-free video. So I'm not gonna ramble on like I do in every other video. So if you guys would like to see what I make on a normal day-to-day basis, gluten-free, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Who am I? Getting out 2 videos in 1 week? Oh my gosh. Record. No, I'm just kidding. So today we're going to be making the berry bars that I make. Now you can put whatever fruit you like in this. This is just what I had on hand. I only had blueberries today. And if I talk fast through this, I'm sorry. I told you guys I suck at editing and I go way too quick. So I'll have everything linked down below. But what we're going to use is some oats. Make sure they're gluten-free. I made that mistake and I didn't realize that a lot of them are not gluten-free. And then we're going to add some gluten-free flour. We're going to add some raw sugar. You can add granulated sugar. You can add honestly whatever you wanted. Even if you wanted to skip the sugar, they might not be as sweet, but still good. We're going to add some coconut oil. I recommend adding butter. I did not add butter to this recipe because I didn't have any, but a little bit of butter goes a long way. And then we're going to add some salt to just bring out the flavor a little bit. Some vanilla extract, and a lot of maple syrup. I kind of go back and forth, and right here I realized that the spoon just was not working, so time to get down and dirty with your hands. But yes, you kind of taste as you go. You can completely eat this. There is no eggs or anything in that, so you can taste as you go depending on like what you want for like sweetness and things like that. You can also add different types of extract. You can add like almond or peppermint. It's completely up to you. It's kind of a universal type of bar. And then as I said, I had blueberries on hand today. Sometimes I do strawberries. It just depends on what I have. These were going bad, so I might as well have gotten rid of them. And then I add this cherry jelly. Oh my god, it is so good. We just tried it and there's only a little bit left and we love it. So I just added that into the mix. It added like a tartness to it and I love the way it was. I actually recommend you guys trying this if you guys like more of that tart type of sweet flavor. Oh, so good. And then we add some lemon zest and lemon juice. And I just kind of cook that down until the blueberries get all soft. And then I'll try to like squish them just to make sure it's, you know, thick. And then you can add some cornstarch if you would like. I don't. I like mine more a little bit runny. But that is completely up to you. Personal preference. You do you. And then I didn't realize right here that I was actually, I didn't make enough. So I had to go and make a little bit more. But see, that's the thing. It's super easy, super quick. I honestly whipped up more in like 2 seconds. And then you're going to pour that over the mixture. Oh, I forgot to say, when you're done with the mixture, you're going to pat it down into a baking pan. Mine, I don't remember the size of it. I'll try to link it down below if I can find it. But it was a smaller size baking pan, sheet, something, casserole type of dish. And then we pour the mixture on top of it, and then we put a little extra crumble on top. And then we bake it at 350 for about 40 minutes or so, 45 minutes. And then I suck at getting these out with a good shot, so we're just gonna cut really quick, and boom. Oh, it is so good. You can honestly eat this with ice cream. You can have it as a dessert. It is so good, and then it's even better the next day. Give this a try. It is so good. Next, we have a tuna sandwich. I know that there is a bunch of you who do not like seafood, so I apologize for this. I will have other ideas later. I've started adding a lot of more fish into my diet ever since I went gluten-free because fish actually makes me feel better. If you guys are new, I have GERD and I have a little bit of different issues than somebody with celiac. I still eat the same as you guys. I just have different types of issues. So fish has definitely been a huge part in my diet, but I promise I will bring up more and more things for you guys that is not fish related or seafood related. So this is kind of just going to be the exact same thing. And if you guys don't like fish, you can use an egg salad sandwich, like just make an egg sandwich. You can do chicken. I know that they have actual chicken in these bags, so you guys can switch this up and kind of make it your own. But we're gonna boil about 4 eggs. Usually I don't do this much, but my husband was home today, and so I made an extra sandwich for him. And then I have this already made sandwich in a bag. I think that's what it is, or whatever. It's pretty much has all the other stuff in it, like the relish and things like that. And then I also added just a plain bag of normal tuna. And I added that to it. That way there was a little bit more girth. My husband had 2 sandwiches and I had 1. So I had to make a little bit more. And then I add, oh crap, can't think of the name. Mayo, mustard, salt, pepper, and then I will add some sweet pickles to it. I like the crunch. I'm a very big texture type of person. So if something is too much of the same texture, I hate it and I'll gross out over it. So I add a bunch of pickle to add a lot more crunch to it. If you don't like pickle, that's fine. You don't have to have it. And my husband, he likes dill pickle in his because he likes it more salty. So that is completely up to you. But that's what we had today, sweet pickle. And then we use the same bread that I love. I mention it every time. It's the SARS bread. And I found a multigrain one. Oh my God, I love it. So freaking good. And then I add some tomato and some lettuce. And then I found these gluten-free pretzels, which I love tuna sandwiches and pretzels. It is so good, but definitely give this a try. It's one of my favorites. Last but not least, we have chicken pot pie. Oh my God, I love the smell so much. We honestly make this so much. I love it. So first things first, you're going to cut up like about a half an onion and about maybe 4 or 5 celery sticks. And I swear by the celery heart, you have to add this anytime I do something that has celery in it, even if it doesn't. Celery heart, just, oh, the flavor it gives, it's so good. I think I even have that in some of my other videos before I went gluten-free, but I love it. It adds so much flavor. And then we're gonna add about a 1/4 stick of butter and then some garlic, and then we're gonna do some frozen corn and frozen peas and carrots. And we're just gonna kind of cook this until everything is warmed through, cooked through. We don't want the celery to be too hard either, so make sure you kind of cook that first before you start adding all the frozen stuff, because it will bring the temperature down. And then I just grabbed a rotisserie chicken. This one's lemon pepper. You can make your own with your own seasonings. You can do just like the plain kind of rotisserie chicken. You can honestly use whatever you want. If you like to shred your own chicken, like boil it and shred it yourself, completely easy. That's completely up to you. This is just what we do. And ooh, look at me shredding all fast. Don't you wish it went this fast? But usually I do the entire chicken. The dark meat and the white meat work really well together. You honestly don't even taste it. I know some people don't like dark meat. So did I just hit the mic? My apologies. And if you guys didn't hear that, I just smacked the mic because I'm talking with my hands. So if not, I just look like a crazy person who says that I just hit the mic when I didn't. But yeah, so you guys can completely switch this out if that's what you want. It's all up to you. Like I said, all my recipes are just kind of a blueprint. So you, once again, I hit it again. You go ahead and fix it as much as you want to fix it. And then I'm going to add the shredded chicken into the pot with everything else once it's all cooked through. So I would say maybe about like 30 minutes or so, maybe less than that, maybe like 20 minutes. And then cream of chicken. They do have gluten-free ones. This one is a Kroger. I think I got it at Kroger. I know Walmart has some, so just kind of pay attention and make sure that it is a cream of chicken that is gluten-free. And they also have a cream of mushroom also. So I added 2 cans and then I kind of stir it in. And if you guys like it super thick, then you would add less chicken stock. But if you like it more like soupy, then you add more chicken stock. We're kind of like right in the middle, so I go really, really slow. Like I'll slowly add the chicken stock to it, just so that way I'm not overdoing it, especially when I don't have more than a few cans of cream of chicken. You know, you don't want to add too much. And then I add some crushed chili flakes, salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. I'll link everything down below. That way you guys don't miss anything. I know I'm talking super fast. That's paprika. But yeah, so then you just season as you go. Make sure the texture is what you like. Kind of start slow and let it simmer for about, I want to say maybe like 10 minutes. Oh, and add cheese. Cheese thickens it up. It's really good. And then I didn't make the biscuits. I had forgot, but these are the Red Lobster gluten-free biscuits. But definitely give this a try. It is my favorite. It's so good. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. But if not, that's fine. You're welcome back anytime. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.